Music. I'm gonna play a chord. So F minor, B flat, and B flat minor. I'm playing these shell chords. Sorry, I'm playing these bar chords because this would be a shape I would play when I was, in high school. It's not a bad shape, but I'm all into freedom and options. So I feel if we change this a little bit, even just that, simple, super effective, little slide. What we have here is F and F minor, B flat and B flat minor, but one minor is kind of a special progression to the 4 and 4 minor. What we're gonna do right now is make it lush. I don't want to call it jazz, I don't want to call it hip hop, lo-fi, you can call it whatever you want, but for me it's music. If you're feeling this video and want to support the channel, please subscribe. It would mean a lot. I think the enemy is fear, and I want to be free from not knowing. So here we are, 7 chords. This is the first step, kinda. Maybe a little 9. Check out how I'm taking this chord. This is shell with 9, and then shell with 6, and then this shape, minor 7, 9. And we can kind of feel it. How cool that is. But there's more. I'm gonna question, what is your favorite happy song? Drop a comment. Last week we had some really sick, sad songs. Thank you for that. I want to know about happy songs. Use inversions because I like it. So this is B flat first inversion. There's another trick there. Check this out. B flat to D flat, but I'm actually thinking about it as B flat minor 7, 9. So that's kind of nice, but there's more. Ooh, I made a PDF and a jam track for this video. You can check it out here, solo, it's free, just grab it, link in the bio. So I'm using more inversions, another 9 chord. So F major 7, 9, F minor 7, third inversion. So over E flat, D flat. B flat to D flat. It's hard to speak and play. I just released an awesome solo workshop and I'm giving you 50% off. Check it out. I'm gonna loop this. Here we go. A little bass maybe. So when I'm thinking about the bass, I can play the first idea, right, that we start with F minor B flat B, but I think I'm gonna play the actual line I'm playing here. So F E flat. I'm gonna add one more layer, okay? hang on. I'm hearing it. So I'm gonna, over these chords, I'm gonna use a few more inversion. Just one layer, please. Alright. This is a full lush mode, and I don't want to call it again jazz or lofi. You can call it whatever you want. For me, it's information, and it's a way to take something simple and ordinary, and make it beautiful. This is what music does to me. It's taking, this random things that are sound and repetition, but making it really beautiful. And we started here, right? Now there's nothing wrong with it. There's so much more that we can do if we know. Cool. Alright, when we have this chord progression, we can also do the kind of opposite way. When you have a complex chord progression, try to understand where it's coming from. So, if we just see this chord progression for the first time, you can say like, oh, it's actually 4 chords, F, F minor, B flat, and B flat minor, which makes it easier for us to also improvise. So I'm gonna try and solo in a simple way. I'm gonna try and just use F minor pentatonic. Maybe also articulating the chords. F, F minor, B flat, D flat. That's right. Yeah, D flat. F major, F minor. So I can solo with that and mix this idea of F major minor, B flat, and D flat. Here we go. For example. And I don't have to always articulate all the chords, but just being aware and listening and hearing the sounds makes it easier. And I can go back and forth. So I'll kind of articulate and then I'll be more general. General. If you like lo-fi and these kind of sounds and you want more information about soloing, I actually made a lo-fi course and a soloing course